Some people don't get the chance to be children. They grow up too fast. Not because they wanted to, but because life forced them to. Imagine a child who listens to everyone else's problems, but never talks about their own. They smile in front of people, but inside, their heart feels tired. This is the psychology of people who had to grow up too fast. When a child grows up too early, they don't learn how to play. They learn how to worry. While other kids are dreaming about the future, they are already dealing with reality. Many of them grow up in homes where they had to watch constant conflict or carry responsibilities that were never meant for a child. And slowly, they learn one important lesson: don't rely on anyone too much. As adults, these people often look very strong. They take care of everyone, they help everyone, and they always appear calm during difficult situations. But the truth is, inside them still lives a child who never truly experienced childhood. That's why they are afraid of disappointing others. They try to handle everything on their own, and they often hide their emotions. Because a long time ago, they learned something very painful. Being vulnerable isn't safe. Maybe you've met someone like this, or maybe you are one of them. The people who always look strong, but feel everything deeply when they're alone at night. The people who understand everyone, but feel like no one truly understands them. But remember this: growing up too fast is not a sign of weakness. It's proof that you've seen life more closely than most people. And maybe that's why you feel things more deeply, care more deeply, and understand pain more deeply. But sometimes it's okay to let that inner child breathe again, because even the strongest people still deserve a little peace.
At the end, subscribe my channel must.